Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night drive with this car, the new Citroen C3. This is the new generation model with the completely new look and also new shape. As you can see, more of an SUV styling now on this new generation. Let's start here on the front where you can see the beautiful design, very funky look in my opinion. You have the new Citroen badge that really suits the car and robust styling, beautiful new lights, and I will lock the car and unlock it once again. This is the key, by the way, so that you can see the lights, main units, and then the C shape for the daytime running LEDs. Let me move on to the side. A bit over 4 meters long, just a bit over, so 4 meters and 15 millimeters to be precise. Here we have the 17-inch wheels on this Max trim. There are 3 trims available, U, Plus and Max. I love the design of the wheel arches, also giving it robust look. And now we come here to the rear of the car. And let me lock it and unlock it once again so that you can see the lighting signature. For the taillights, C shape of the signature and distinctive look on the road, very robust bumper. Also look at the pattern, just like on the front and also on the wheel arches. So I love the attention to details. New Citroen badge, of course, here. And let me show you the trunk space. There we go, generous 310 liters in here. And I think we are now ready to go on a nice relaxed night drive. So yeah, tell me in the comments, how do you like the car? How do you like this new design? And yeah, let's go. Let's see it from inside. There we go. Look at this. The Citroen Advanced Comfort seats, they're so comfortable, and you will see the drive is so smooth and the car is so comfortable. So let's see it from driver's perspective. Okay, then here is your view as a driver. Let me put the key here. There we go. And we can turn it on just like that and put on my seat belt. And yeah, we are pretty much ready to go. Release the standard handbrake, put the car into first gear. We have the 6-speed manual transmission, and let's go. And we will start with the specifications of the model in our video. So this is the petrol version, 1.2 liter 100 horsepower petrol, paired with the 6-speed manual. It's nice to see a manual transmission, and not often in press cars do we get the manual model. So yeah, it's really nice for me to be back in manual. I haven't driven a manual quite some time. So yeah, now other options. You have the hybrid 100 with 48 volt hybrid technology. And also there is the electric version with 113 horsepower. So those are the options. You have the petrol with manual, 48 volt hybrid, that one is paired with the EDCS automatic transmission, and then also the electric version. Front wheel drive, of course, and you will see just how nice and smooth the car is. We have the Citroen Advanced Comfort suspension and Citroen Advanced Comfort seats, and yeah, it's definitely so nice to be here behind the steering wheel. I've been driving this car for the whole week now, and yeah, it's definitely so nice to drive it, and it's very comfortable. And as you can see by the amount of turns that I need to do, this is a pretty big garage, and we are now going out for a nice relaxed night drive. How do you like this clicking sound of the indicators? Write me in the comments. And yes, we can go. Now let's talk about the layout that we have here. So we have the 10.25 inch touchscreen in the middle, And in front of us, the head-up display, which is very innovative and very cool, because it's definitely different, the whole layout here of the dashboard compared to the other cars. And it's actually very clear, the things that you have here in front of you. So I can see everything, and you have everything right here in front of you. The GoPro, I believe, is also catching it, but yeah, it's not the same level as my eyes. But I can tell you that this is really a nice position here. Head-up display is here, and then this touchscreen, you get it in the middle and the top of the line trim. So on the base model, you would get the phone holder, and then you have the app, and then you can have various things through your mobile phone. But yeah, I think the middle trim and the plus and max trims would be my choice. Have the start stop. You can turn it off here by pressing the button. And this small steering wheel, it feels very nice in hand. Also, I quite like the design of it. It's got, of course, the new Citroen logo, which I really love. And then, of course, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If you want to see more details of the infotainment system, you can watch my full review that is already live on the channel. And we have also the navigation on this one. There we go. So you have the map view. And the AC is on the switches here, so very easy to use it. You have the temperature here, and then the air blower here to the right. So again, very easy. And yeah, here we have the automatic AC. You would have the manual on the lower trims. Love the design of the gear selector for this 6-speed manual. Of course, I will also show you how the layout looks in the electric version, which I will test in not too distant future. Let me also mention some numbers for this car. 10.6 seconds is the time to reach 100. Top speed is 160 kilometers per hour, and it's got 205 Newton meters of torque. And again, I've been driving it in the city mostly for the last week, and it's really nice, and I quite like this combination of manual with this engine. I think it's also very fun to drive. And of course, if you want automatic, you can go for the 48 volt hybrid model, or of course you can also go for the electric one. Now here in front of you, you have this left section which is fixed, fuel gauge, your speed, then the traffic sign, and also so the car now telling you to go into third gear, for example. And then this right section, you can customize, and actually you can change what you see by pressing the button here. So there are various things that you can have here in front of you. And also by pressing this button, you go into the settings, driver assistant, then you can change some settings, so activate safety brake, speed change sound, or driver attention. So some various options are available, and you can configure them out by pressing this button here. And the car has got 163 millimeters of ground clearance. So visually more robust styling, and in corners feels very nice. I will do an another lap here. And this manual is really good. Again, a pleasure to drive it and change the gears. Name of the color is ELIXIR Red, and I think it suits the car. I would probably go for the I think black or silver. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice for the color. And also you have some cool elements such as the tags here, so it says be cool, have fun, and also you have them at the back. What you heard now was the speed warning sound. Not a huge fan of the sound itself, so it's mandatory by law to have this speed warning as soon as you go a bit over the speed limit, but of course you can deactivate it. So there is the button here left to you, so if you press it, now you see this is blinking, and now you will not get that sound, so it's easy to deactivate it. I want to hear your thoughts on the layout here. CITROEN calls this the C-Zen Lounge, and yeah, I find it very cool, modern and unique. So it's definitely the interior that you don't see in other cars. It's completely different and I quite like it. Here on these speed bumps, it's, oh, by the way, nice Porsche. So here on the speed bumps, it's very comfortable and have a feeling you are driving a much bigger car, and yeah, definitely a big thumb up from me for that, for the comfort itself. So now a closer look at the head-up display, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel as there will be plenty of more to come, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.